My name is Dustin Plantholt. I'm the founder and CEO of Heir Story. We are an impact venture startup dedicated to preserving family legacy or preserving your story. Before I became a journalist, before I had exits, my earliest days were in foster care. So this is not a sad story for me to tell you. I'm a volunteer victim. It's far from that. But what I was looking to create, and my partner Colin's going to be moving you through in a moment here, what we're going to be developing was a platform to allow you to share your story safely and securely with your heirs. For any of you that have kids, for any of you who have relatives, grandmas, grandpas, aunts, uncles, giving them the ability in a way to make it easy for them to do, but also safely and securely by integrating blockchain technology. That is what Heir Story will create. So with that, I'm going to hand it off to my dear friend, my partner, and the president of Heir Story to show you what we're building. And we need your help. So hopefully we'll get your support at the end of the presentation. And my heart goes out. Daria, I think the world of you. So thank you for this incredible opportunity.
Thank you very much, Dustin. And thank you, Daria, for having us. So Dustin is one of the best storytellers I've ever encountered. And, for thousands of years, stories via the spoken word have just woven the fabric of our history, passing down wisdom, connecting generations, and documenting family legacy. There is a universal desire for immortality and to leave a mark on the world. And everybody has a story, but most are never documented and get lost forever. So what we want to do is ensure that everyone can easily record the greatest moments of their life to be enjoyed for generations to come. And our mission is to record 1 billion stories and democratize the preservation of legacies. Now, the problem is that right now it's just too hard. Most people think about or wish to write their memories and their greatest life moments into a book so their legacy will last forever. But very few have the writing skills, the funds, the time, and the dedication to get those stories into a usable format suitable for a legacy. The emotional impact of losing loved ones without having their stories or wisdom preserved is a very common regret. And there is inequality in the process because legacy preservation is mostly reserved for celebrities, politicians, and the elite. So why can't it be easy as just telling your stories and have AI do the rest? Well, now that's what we're doing. We're building a solution for storytelling as a platform that uses AI and blockchain to democratize storytelling and documenting your legacy. And we are streamlining the process so it's just the click of a button, and like talking to a friend, you can now document all of your life's most beautiful moments forever. Our AI-powered storytelling assistant will listen attentively, ask questions, and sympathize and empathize, and guide you to describe your stories in beautiful detail. Now, we're going to do for storytelling what the selfie camera did for painted portraits. The product is an app so simple that your 90-year-old granny can use it. It's one click and just start talking as if to a friend to tell all your stories, but you're guided by your personal AI storytelling assistant who will bring you through all the way. And no matter how you want to do it, there are no rules and no boundaries. It will understand, interpret, and beautifully rewrite your stories into any format you want, but in your own personal tone of voice. You can then build them into an audiobook for your grandchildren, a novel for your kids, and even turn those stories into a movie starring you. We will literally recreate you as a digitally powered AI avatar, a storytelling person that will give future generations the ability to interact, converse, and connect with you long after you're gone. We want a world where no story is left untold and every person's legacy is celebrated. Now, the market opportunity is huge. There's 2 billion people on Facebook and Instagram sharing their stories and pictures, but a lot of the time, the actual stories behind those moments are not recorded. Now, there's over 1 billion people over 50 globally and 100 million in the USA alone. And the market for genealogy will be 15 billion by 2033. We're about to create a new market where documenting your life history will be the standard for everybody. The business model is freemium. It's free to get in, get your stories in, and see the magic out the other end. But for all the features, an annual subscription will be $150. Inside, there's additional upsells for printed hardback books to turn your stories into an audiobook or movie. Of course, this is a wonderful gift to give a loved one, but we're going to have a social impact element as well, because when you buy one, we're going to give one to someone in need. As a career salesperson, the go-to-market excites me the most because it has an incredible opportunity to scale and reach large volumes of customers. So alongside traditional sales, marketing, and PR, our key strategy is to form partnerships with groups that cater for our target demographics. Our ambassador program will also reward referrals with a 20% commission. And this means that we can target associations for heritage, history, the elderly, veterans, even care homes and carers themselves. And many of these associations have millions of members, and this is something exciting for them to tell them about. This gives them an ongoing revenue stream, but also a unique offering to enhance their services and show their commitment to their communities. Now, we have an incredible team of highly experienced entrepreneurs. Dustin is Forbes under 40 with several exits. I got 20 years in top tech companies and several startups under my belt. And our CTO is Chief AI Architect of Microsoft Philanthropy. But if you look at our advisors, we have the CEOs of multinational companies like Reebok, Allergen, Bausch & Lomb, a Nobel Prize winner, and even our own amazing Daria. So we have the team to get this done. The ask is we're doing an age-old round. We're raising $300K on a safe note because we want to build and launch our app, onboard some sort of customers that we have waiting, and build out the team, and then scale and grow our outreach and ambassador program. So in summary, why invest in us? Well, for the first time ever in history, recording your life stories into a beautiful legacy is now incredibly simple. And we're opening up a colossal untapped market which is highly scalable. We have a great team and incredible advisors. But lastly, and most importantly, investing in us is not just a financial decision, but it's a contribution to preserving human history and personal legacies for future generations to come. Thank you very much.
Oh, this is like the last part is just my personal biggest inspiration. So I would like to thank you, Dustin and Colin, for creating Heir Story. And you know, he and her story creates Heir Story, and like it's like, you know, it's touching my heart so much, the same, you know, big heart as in our logo. You know, so first of all, I would like to wish you definitely you know, big success, and make that as simple as possible, because like I definitely would say that not only for, you know, elder generation, you know, it's the problem to leave your heritage, but like for young and living right now people, you know, just make your story clear is a big problem. So definitely I'm looking forward to see our traction. I believe that Heir Story as well as other founders from today's call are going to prepare their investor relations reporting, you know, and keep you on track with their success and their asks. So to make all the significant products ready and ready, steady, and go. Yeah. So Colin, like I think that I would like to ask only one question. So what is the biggest boundary right now for Heir Story that you are solving right now, and how other entrepreneurs or investors can support you, and what kind of business angel you are looking for? So what kind of added value you're looking forward to see in Heir Story within the next 3 months?
So we've already got a great team with incredible connections, but we really would like some investors who care about preserving legacy. And I think a lot of these types of investors might have incredible contacts for us to tap into, who would be more than happy to push this marketing out to their huge networks. And we really believe it's going to be very easy to scale this to a very large number of people. We believe that, you know, through traditional marketing and PR, it's a fantastic story, and it's something that people have always maybe dreamed of, but it's never been achievable until now. And AI enables this, and the proprietary technology that we have is going to be enabling you to preserve your life's history into something, you know, either a giant big odyssey of a novel or just a 5-minute summary. So we'd like people who can help with that.